Welcome to the Branded Procurement High-Level Introduction for DMA. The first step is to visit www.dmadelivers.com to place your order. Branded Procurement is now available on every major browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Safari. Branded Procurement is also available on mobile application devices such as iPads and tablets. Once you've come to the DMA website, click on the Login button. Select Branded Procurement from the drop-down box. Enter your username and password, and remember they are case sensitive. If at any time you forget your password, you can always click the Lost Password link and complete the Lost Password form and hit the Send Request button. If you need to reach your warehouse or customer service, click on the Customer Service link beneath Login. All of the DMA distributors are listed on this page, so simply click on your distributor name and you will see the warehouse location and corresponding customer service phone number. Now, back to logging in to the www.dmadelivers.com site. Hit the drop-down box and select Branded Procurement. Then enter your username and password, remembering they are case sensitive. Once you have logged into Branded Procurement, the home page will open, and this is called your Branded Procurement or BP dashboard. A few things about your Branded Procurement dashboard. You have your last 10 orders at the top of the page. In your list of last 10 orders, you will see a cart with a green plus sign. This is an add cart feature which is used for one-click ordering. Next to that is a page with a check mark. This is your order confirmation. You will be able to view your order confirmation and see what is going to ship and what is not going to ship for your order. Please notice that anything on the tool that is a hyperlink will allow you to drill down into more detail. Next is the PO. Click on the hyperlink and you can see the entire previous order. Click the back button and it will take you back to your BP dashboard. You will notice that the status says sent. Remember that you can click on order confirmation to see exactly what has been shipped and what has not been shipped for this order. You will also notice that the additional columns include the created date, submitted date, delivery date, number of items, PO total, tracking number, and who placed the order. In the bottom left-hand side of the BP dashboard, you will notice the bulletin section. This is the opportunity for DMA, corporate offices, and your distributors to provide you with important messages about your ordering site or the orders that you are placing. You will notice that DMA will send you notifications about site maintenance and if the site will be down. Corporate and your distributor will post information about products that may not be available or if there are any issues with your truck. In the lower right-hand side, you'll see an area for shopping links. This area was formerly called templates. Clicking on the name of the shopping list hyperlink will open the shopping list for you. You will also notice a description section for your shopping list, and the total number of line items on your shopping list is displayed. There is also a column for invalid products that were located in your shopping list. Along the top navigation bar are located buttons for placing your orders. To place your order, go to the ordering drop-down and click on Order Guide. You'll also see shopping list, previous orders up to 13 months, saved orders, and order products and entry, which is the new 10-key and upload your orders feature. To place your order, click on Ordering, then click on the Order Guide. The system will open up to the Order Guide sequence. The toolbar you see here will be similar for every page you visit. There is a Configure Grid, Export, a Search feature, Duplicate Pages, which is the Copy to Shopping List, Attributes and Status filters. If you were looking for a specific catch weight item or kosher item, you can filter on those icons. There are a lot of items within BP that are not displayed. This is to preserve screen real estate. Using the Configure Grid allows you to see these hidden items. Therefore, if by chance you want to see a manufacturer number or a brand name, for example, you can click on Configure Grid. Any item listed in the hidden columns will not be displayed and can be added by clicking on the plus sign. It now shows up in the visible columns. Any items in the visible column can be moved using drag and drop. If you wish to remove an item, simply click the minus sign and it will go back into the hidden column section. You can sort any items inside the visible column section. Click once on the name and it will sort ascending. Click twice and it will sort descending. Click a third time and the sort arrow disappears. You can also view items by grouping. You can simply drag and drop the items you'd like to see into the grouping area. To leave this page, you can click the back button or the configure grid button. This will take you back to your order guide. The export feature allows you to export your order guide or shopping list. You will notice that as you hover over various buttons, hover text with a description of that button will appear. When exporting your guide, you can add items from the hidden column to the visible column by clicking the plus sign. Remember that items are drag and drop. Remove with the minus sign, and again, you can sort by clicking on the name. When printing your order guide, you can add extra blank columns. Click on the Add Extra Blank Columns drop-down, and you will see that you can add up to 7 blank columns. Next, choose your format, such as Excel or PDF from the drop-down. You will notice the Export Download Feature button is now highlighted, and you can select it. Your order guide is now being exported to your computer. Here you can see the exported guide with the 7 blank columns. Leaving Excel and clicking the back button will take you back to the order guide. For each product, you can see the distributor item code number, cart quantity, unit of measure, description, attributes, status, pack, and price. Here you see that the description is a hyperlink. This means that you can drill down for more detail. Information about that product can be found here, along with pictures and nutritional details. You can also view product history, shopping lists, and classifications. Once you are finished, simply click the X in the upper right-hand corner of the box. To place items into your cart, simply input the desired order quantity. You'll notice the subtotal will be displayed in the upper right-hand corner, along with the number of cases and items. Once you are finished, click the Go to Cart button in the upper right-hand corner. This brings you to the list of items in your shopping cart and gives you a final opportunity to review your items and ensure accuracy. It is easy to modify your cart by simply adjusting your quantity or removing an item. To remove an item, simply click the box next to the item and select Remove from Cart button, which has the red X in the toolbar. The system will ask you to verify if you wish to remove this item. And now that you have verified, you will see that the item is removed from your cart. If you've run out of time and would like to save your cart, you can easily do so by clicking on the Save for Later button and filling out the required information. You can also save this order as a shopping list, and as mentioned earlier, you can remove items from your cart. Once you've completed reviewing your cart, you have a couple of options. You can continue shopping, or you can proceed to checkout. This is the checkout page, and it displays some key information. You can enter your PO number if you like. You will see the delivery date has been pre-selected for the next available delivery date. You can manually change the date if you'd like. Note, though, you will only be provided the ability to choose dates that have been provided by your distributor. If you choose to select a future date, please contact your customer service representative. Once you are ready, click on the Validate Submit button. A dialog box will appear, which is a quick summation of your order. You can print the receipt by selecting from the drop-down box in either Excel or PDF. A copy of the receipt will open and save to your computer. When you are finished, click the Close button and the system will automatically reroute you back to your BP dashboard. Now that you are back on the dashboard, this is your opportunity to see the status of your order. For anything outside of the work confirmed, you will need to click on the Order Confirmation button, which will be located between the cart and PO number. All errors will float to the top, and you will be able to see exactly what is arriving on your truck. Now, let's dig in and learn more about your BP dashboard. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see the name of your account. You'll see the hover text that says Profile Settings. Click on your account name and that will bring you to your Preferences page. In your general settings, you want to make sure that you keep Dashboard as your home page. Items you may wish to change or customize include how you browse, either with your order guide or your shopping list. That way you do not have to change it every time you come into branded procurement. If you choose to do a shelf-to-sheet shopping list, you'll be able to pick it by choosing a location and a classification. That way it will always open up to your preferred settings. Back to your dashboard. Notifications. You will notice that you have an area to manage your alerts. Clicking on Set Up Alerts, you will see that you can manage multiple alert notifications. To add additional alerts, simply click on the green plus button. You can receive notifications through email or SMS messages. To set up your SMS notification, click on the Add button and select your mobile carrier and input your number. Next, click on the blue hyperlink for Alert Details. In the Alert Details page, make sure that you have selected the box for all distribution centers. You can also choose which acknowledgments and confirmations you wish to receive and how you wish to receive your attachments, such as Excel or PDF, in the body of the email. You can also select alert options for invoice, an order cutoff reminder, and purchase orders. Once you've made your selections, ensure that you click the Apply button to save your updates. Click on the Back button to return to your alert setup page. If you decide you no longer need an alert, simply click on the Delete button. You will be prompted to verify that you want to delete that alert. Upon verifying, you will see that the alert is removed from your alert setup page. To return to the home page, you can either click on the distributor logo in the upper left-hand corner, or you can click on the Back button to walk back through the pages until you arrive at the dashboard. The Product button allows you to manage your shopping list. Under the Manage Product List section, click on Shopping Lists. Here you can have multiple shopping lists, and you can manage each of those lists. The key buttons you have here are Add a shopping list, Delete a shopping list, and Identify invalid products. The tool will always tell you how many invalid products you have in your list. The blue arrow button will allow you to restore your shopping list in the event you deleted one that you needed. Additional buttons include Copy your shopping list and Share your shopping list. You can only share your shopping list with those who have the same distributor, customer, and same item code number. When you're ready to manage shopping lists, simply click on the shopping list name hyperlink. We will do a deeper dive into managing your shopping list later. For this demonstration, we will just cover a few key items for the shopping list. On the left side, you can expand the shopping list name and view the current sequence setup. You can sort by any of the columns by simply clicking on the column name, such as sequence. You can add items to your shopping list by clicking on the green plus button. That will open the dialog box where you are able to search and add items. To remove an item, simply select the item and click on the red X button and choose Selected. You will need to verify that you wish to remove that item, and then the item will be removed from your shopping list. You can rename products using the blue pen button, clear default quantities, and use per list ordering. If you choose to do a custom shelf to sheet, you will need to create new classifications. There will be a demo to walk you through that extensive process. You are also able to move items around. Click on the Sequence button, and that takes you to the Sequence dashboard area. Then, by checking the box next to the item, you can drag them to the clipboard area on the left. This allows you to move items all over the shipping list. Hitting the Clear Clipboard button will return the items to their original location. You must hit the Sequence button in order to be able to move items around the shopping list. Under the Report button, you can see order history and invoice history. Here you will find up to 13 months of information available to you. You can also search by invoice number. Let's return to the homepage dashboard now by clicking on the distributor icon. The BP dashboard is designed for you to have one-stop shopping capabilities, including one-click ordering, checking your order status, identifying invalid products, managing your shopping list, view messages from DMA, corporate, and distributors, and have an efficient view of your shopping list. This demo has been a high-level overview of branded procurement. If you have any questions, please contact Angie Medema at 847-252-1970 or email angie.medema@dmadelivers.com.